Right, so if each call to place tile places one tile, how many tiles will be placed by this program? So for 3 times, place tile red, orange, yellow, and green. It's going to be 12. So in programming, each execution of a loop is called a collection, iteration, list, condition, iteration. What type of loop is used in this program? Brush up and down for each tooth in your mouth. For count control loop, for each collection control loop, or while condition control loop. For each collection control loop. Okay, so select the most accurate statement about loops. Loops are not useful. Loops are only useful when the number of repetitions is known. An iteration is made up of multiple loops. Loops require less coding and are easier to read than repeated lines of code. What type of loop is used in the program? While there are slices of pizza left, eat a slice of pizza. For each, for count, while condition control loop.